Yo, 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 what's up, Love Club? How are all my fabulous people doing today? I hope you're ready for another exciting episode because I have something super special lined up for you. Hey everybody, it's your girl, Love Club, back with another video. Today we're diving into the world of sleepwear, but not just any sleepwear. We're talking about how to stay elegant and stylish even when you're catching those Z's. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because you already know we're about to dive deep into the world of elegance. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these tips and tricks to elevate your nighttime wardrobe. Today we're talking about those PJs, those sleep time threads that some of us are rocking. And some of us, well, let's just say we can do better. We all deserve to feel fabulous, even when we're just lounging around the house or getting ready for bed. So, let's take a look at some common pajama mistakes and how we can avoid them. Because let's be real, nobody wants to feel frumpy or unflattering, right? We're going to make sure you look and feel your best, even in your sleepwear. Get ready for 5 pajamas elegant women avoid. These are the top offenders that can make even the most stylish woman feel less than her best. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some fabulous alternatives. Because honey, you deserve to be draped in fabulousness 24/7, even when you're catching those Z's. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get started on transforming your sleepwear game. You're going to love these tips, I promise. Okay, first up, let's talk about those cartoon character pajamas. You know, the ones that seem to be everywhere these days. They come in all sorts of bright colors and feature every character you can think of, from classic Disney icons to the latest animated sensations. They're fun, they're playful, and they definitely make a statement. You know the ones with the oversized faces and the slogans that were probably funny 10 years ago. These pajamas are like a time capsule, capturing the humor and style of a bygone era. But let's be honest, some of those jokes haven't aged well. It's like wearing a relic from your childhood that you just can't let go of. Listen, I love a good throwback as much as the next person, but there's a time and a place. Nostalgia can be a wonderful thing, bringing back fond memories and a sense of comfort. However, it's important to know when to draw the line. There's a fine balance between charmingly retro and hopelessly outdated. And that place is not on your PJs when you're trying to exude elegance. Imagine slipping into a pair of luxurious silk pajamas, the kind that make you feel like royalty. Now picture those same pajamas covered in cartoon characters. The magic is gone, right? Elegance and cartoon chaos just don't mix. Think about it. Would Audrey Hepburn be caught dead in SpongeBob PJs? Case closed. Audrey was the epitome of grace and sophistication. She knew how to dress for every occasion, and her sleepwear was no exception. So next time you're tempted by those quirky cartoon pajamas, ask yourself, what would Audrey do? The answer is clear. Choose elegance and leave the cartoon chaos for another time. Next, we gotta talk about the oversized t-shirt. Don't get me wrong, I love a good comfy tee, but when it comes to sleepwear, it's a slippery slope from chic to schlumpy real quick. We're going for effortless elegance here. Not I gave up on life and raided my boyfriend's drawer. There's a reason why they make cute pajama sets, people. Chapter 3. Neon Nightmares. Okay, this next one is near and dear to my heart because I've been personally victimized by it. Neon-colored pajamas. Just why? Unless you're trying to direct traffic in your sleep, there's no need for your PJs to be visible from space. Elegance is about understated sophistication, not screaming for attention. Let's leave the neon on the dance floor, shall we? Chapter 4. Holy Pajamas, Batman. Alright, confession time. We all have that one pair of pajamas that's seen better days. You know, the ones with the holes that we keep promising ourselves will mend but never actually do? Maybe they hold sentimental value, or perhaps they're just so darn comfortable that we can't bear to part with them. But let's face it, they're not doing us any favors. We all have that one pair of pajamas that's seen better days. They might be the ones you've had since college, or maybe they were a gift from a loved one. Over time, they've become more holes than fabric, yet we cling to them like a security blanket. You know, the ones with the holes that we keep promising ourselves will mend but never actually do. Every time you put them on, you think, I'll fix that hole tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes, and the holes just keep getting bigger. Well, here's your sign to finally let them go. It's time to say goodbye to those tattered old pajamas and make room for something new. Think of it as a fresh start, a way to treat yourself to something that makes you feel good. Elegance is about looking and feeling your best, even when you're just lounging around the house. Imagine slipping into a pair of pajamas that are not only comfortable but also stylish. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel, and that includes saying goodbye to clothes that look like they've been through a paper shredder. So take a deep breath, gather up those holy pajamas, and let them go. You deserve to feel elegant and confident, even in your sleepwear. Treat yourself to something new and enjoy the comfort and style that comes with it. Chapter 5. Onesies, Fun or Fashion Faux Pas. Last but not least, let's talk about animal onesies. Listen, I love a good onesie as much as the next person. They're comfy, they're cozy, and they're basically socially acceptable adult swaddles. But elegant? Not so much. Unless you're planning on hibernating for the winter, it's best to leave the onesies for special occasions. So there you have it, Love Club. 5 pajama styles that elegant women avoid like the plague. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your go-to elegant pajama style is. Remember, true elegance comes from within, but it never hurts to have a killer sleepwear game. Until next time, stay fabulous.